watching this. So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm KOLEEN SANJAH FUENTE from ECO 22.
Okay.
So, have you observed how we respond to our demand or the quantity supplied by the suppliers when price changes? Well, in other disciplines, this might be simple as we demand more or we demand less, otherwise, we supply more or we supply less. But in economics, it is not simple as that. And that is what we are going to discuss in this video. So, let's start. Elasticity is the proper term in economics when we talk about the degree of responsiveness when there are changes in price. It describes a change in buyers' and sellers' behavior in response to a change for a specific good and services. And there are two types of this, the elasticity of demand and the elasticity of supply. But in this video, we will only focus on elasticity of supply.
Price elasticity of supply is the percentage change or the measure of the responsiveness in quantity supplied to a change in price for a specific good. Inelastic goods are often described as necessities wherein there are few or no substitute. Here, a change in price does not seriously impact consumer demand or the overall supply of the good, because it is not something people are able or willing to go without. Examples of these goods would be food, water, gasoline, housing, and medicines. In contrast, elastic goods or services are considered luxury items or have many substitutes. An increase in price for an elastic good has a noticeable impact on consumption or supply. The good is viewed as something that individuals are willing to sacrifice in order to save money. Some of the elastic goods are movie tickets, vacations, or high-end electronics, which are viewed not a necessity but as an entertainment.
Moving on, the price elasticity of supply can be calculated as PES equals percent change in quantity supplied over percent change in price, symbolically like this. Whereas Q2 is the new quantity supplied, Q1 is the original quantity supplied, while P2 is the new price and P1 is the original price.
So, the price elasticity of supply or the PES coefficient can be interpreted in 5 cases. And for each, graphs are provided for us to see what would be the supply curve will look like. Number 1. If PES is greater than 1, the supply is elastic. Supply is said to be elastic when a given percentage change in price leads to a larger change in quantity supplied. Number 2. If PES is less than 1, the supply is inelastic when a given percentage change in price causes a smaller change in quantity supplied. Number 3. The supply is unitary when the PES is equals to 1. A percentage change in price results in an equal percentage change in quantity supplied. Number 4. Perfectly elastic supply, wherein the PES is infinite, where the quantity supplied is unlimited at a given price, but no quantity can be supplied at any other price. Number 5. Lastly, perfectly inelastic supply. Here, the PES is 0, means whatever the price of the commodity, the quantity supplied remains unchanged.
And that's it! Hope you learned something and enjoyed it at the same time. See you next time! Bye!